made a mistake. It's okay. We've all been there. Your mistake was this. For just a moment, you believed you weren't chosen for anything. You thought your existence here, in this exact dot of time and space, was random. You looked at your life, its chaos unfolding, its heavy pressures, its tiny details demanding attention, and you thought, this is all there is. The appointments, the kids' school grades, moving from place to place, cleaning up, the traffic. You thought this was it. But oh, my friend, you were not created randomly. The earth, the sun, the moon, and everything beyond them and between them did not move by the will of God, did not orbit and pull time forward just so you could arrive and say, I am random. The generations before you, their struggle for knowledge, their fight for freedom, their very lifeblood running in your veins did not pass all of that on so you could arrive and think, I am random. Allah, voice softens with reverence, did not bring you forth from a line of waiting souls so you could stand here and say, I am random. You are not random. You were chosen to be here, in this place, at this time, for something far greater than the noise and complications of daily life. Listen to what was revealed in your book, and you'll know, without a shadow of doubt, that everyone in it was chosen. Every prophet, every righteous soul, even every villain, chosen to carry out the will of God on this earth. So the question is not, was I chosen? The question is, for what was I chosen? And the belief that follows, rooted deeply in trusting Allah, is this: I was chosen for good. There is something good inside you, gentle certainty. I know it, no matter how big or how small. A seed, a spark, an idea, waiting for you to bring it forward, to serve the people you love, to serve this faith. Allah chose you, and now you have the responsibility and the privilege to choose Allah.